Folks, we're gonna talk today on the beautiful NB18.2 beast mode. So I'm gonna talk about the outside today, and then after that we'll go inside. And I'm gonna emphasize what's the things about 18.2 people love to have and they enjoy. Let's talk outside. As you see, this is a beast mode, and I talked to many videos to explain to you in the beast mode because they make exact same unit two-way. They make it beast mode or classic. What is the beast mode separate than the classic? It's exact same trailer, same model, except three items. What's the three item, Niall? Is 400 watt solar panel versus 200, Curse independent suspensions versus just a standard spring leaf axle, 2000 watt inverter versus no inverter. So those are the three items that make difference between beast mode and classic. Now, this is a beast mode. Now, Nobu was very well known for nice gel coated cap in the front with automotive window. This is full installation inside. You can hear from the sound, full installation. Nice LED light in the top, diamond plated at the bottom, two propane tank with the cover, a battery location right there, electric tongue jack, pass-through storage, as you see, and you could see the aluminum construction in that compartment. This is the switch for the 2000 watt inverter. You could start from here, USB plug. Now, as you notice on the 18.2 is very well known with the nice, beautiful outdoor. Now, what is that outdoor? This gives you a ability to communicate and get things from inside to outside, or at least enjoying the view where you're gonna park this unit on the oceans or your family. And it's really nice underneath the awning. You could barbecue. Over here, there's a rack for the outside grill. This, you could tell the wife, pass me salt. Oh, here's the chicken, here's the beef. Now, some customers are gonna make a joke. Oh, they put the barbecue next to this so the smells go outside. Again, you could close the window when you're barbecuing, and when you're done, enjoy the view. I mean, you don't have to open it. I just opened this video. I opened this window just to show you how it looks like when it's open. Two outside speakers, a floodlight by the entry doors. Everybody give you a small light. This has a floodlight. Nice off-road tires, and could show them the springs, the Curse suspensions. That's what's the beast mode. Outside shower, hot and cold here. The reason why not to take a shower in front of everybody, in case if you want to rinse your hand when you do barbecue and you want to get some water, you could get it both ways. 3-step to get in because it's set high. This is proof for you, come with a 400 watt solar panel. Asdel fiberglass, that's a big deal. And then it has the solar hookup. Endless hot water heater in the rear. Receivers to get your bike rack or a tray where you put your generators or firewood. Spare tires. Outside backup camera prep and ladder expandable prep. You have 30 amp cord, 25 feet, 30 amp power cord, black tank flush, city cable satellite hookup. This is where you hook up all your black and gray right there. And then coming over here, we have the water fill, the city water connection, and then the other side of the pass-through storage with the aluminum construction. This is the outside. Now let's go inside and show you, because this floor plan is very nice. It has a theater seating across the table and a 2 bar stool on that window. So theater seating on this side, counter with the 2 bar stool on that window, and then nice bed in the front. Let's go inside. The beauty about this floor plan, it has everything like a big unit, like a big trailers. It has the nice theater seating. As you see, I'm sitting on the theater seating. I could lay down more and take a nap. But the beauty about it is I could lay down on this nice theater seating watching the TV, and that TV is being watched by the people laying down on the bed, as well people sitting on the bar stool eating or enjoying the view from outside. So the 18.2 beast mode, as we very well known, it has all the the off-road tires, the independent suspensions from Curse, as well the 400 watt solar panel. We equipped it at Best RV with the theater seating, and those theater seating, even if you don't want to use the theater seating, to give you an idea, it looked like a sofa. So, but people they think it's a sofa, but in reality, it's theater seating on both sides. It has nice cup holders, Plus it has the eating table as you see in this video. Storage in the top, that's a plus on this particular model. The bed is very roomy here, so again, you could put another seat or whatever you want to do. It's easy to make the bed. When you lay down on this bed, easy, you know, very roomy. And again, I could watch the TV from the theater seating as well the bed. They supported with the full storage compartments on the right side, more doors, and all this is, you know, sometimes people that while you open all, I just want to show you the amount of storage. Nice beautiful window with the black shade in the front. They come with a nice roller shade in all of them. As well, they support you with all the storage underneath the bed. Now the bed is, this is no storage here because the inverter there. They give you storage here as well. Half of it is full pass-through storage from outside. This is the accessory like this, the hose for outside. The central vacuum accessories is right there located. Now, the beauty about this floor plan, why me personally like it. Now, when you go camping in the Pismo, for example, if you're from California, when you go camping in Yosemite Park, National Park, or you in Pismo on the beach and all that, what are you gonna see the first is the nice view. Now, when you have a small window, what you gain, just a small view. But this 18.2 beast mode, they provide you with huge windows. So now I know you're seeing trailers and motorhomes, but imagine this is a nice ocean next to your trailers, or you're on the beach, or you're in the forest. And the beauty about it, it comes with a nice latch. There's no way this window is gonna open. You open the latch like that, as will the other one. And you just push it. Voila. A beautiful window for you. You could see, you could bring a big fresh air for you here. You could see the view. Also, if your wife, she's cooking outside or you cook outside, you could pass things to the family members outside. Also, if you tell me now, wait a minute, I'm gonna get bugs. There's a screen. I could bring the screen and no bugs coming inside. But that gives you the options of bringing the outdoor living inside or the inside to the outside. It gives you a nice view. So if you're sitting here, wake up in the morning and enjoying a piece of muffin with a cup of coffee, and you look and you enjoy the view. So that's the beauty about the 18.2 beast mode, is this window will make a big difference. And to close it, very simple and easy. You just get your hand, roll it, push it down. See, it has a shock, we'll bring it back. Latch, and done. Done. You don't have to do nothing. Now, back to the kitchen. And then they provide you with a 2-bar stool, and they don't waste the space. They give you storage underneath this counter. That's a plus. You need to look at it. They give you storage under the counter, so they don't waste it. They give you 110 plug, and this plug is you put a laptop if you want to work from your work from your vacation. You could do that. They support you with the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. And again, no worries, you have 400 watt. Constantly is gonna charge the battery. And then you have a nice pantries. That's the furnace with the thermostat, as you see. Kitchen, they give you everything you ever think about it. Nice place for cooking pans. Nicer faucet, backsplash, or cutting board, either or. You could use it for sink cover. 2-burner range, USB plug, 110. So for your margarita mixers or anything you want to put. A lot of doors, more place for cooking pans, silverware, utensils, and so on. They provide you with central vacuum. People laugh, is that true? Yes, it does. Central vac with a dust bust. So I will make your trip more memories. I like the stickers. Now, here's the controller for the solar panel and the tanks, speakers, Bluetooth, inside, outside, all the light awning. This switches here, people, they ask me, what's this? This is a big deal because this is the heated holding tank system. You have one fresh, gray, black. So Noble, what they did, they put a heat blankets on the tanks, run off 12 volts. So when I turn it right now, those heat blanket, they produce heat on the tank, so that the plumbing will not freeze up on you when you go camping in the extreme weather. Keep the tank warm, so no frozen plumbing and no issues. Again, in California, I'll be honest with you, I never use this in California because we never get to the freezing temperature, really. But a lot of people are like Reno, Colorado, Montana, mid-East Coast where they have freezing temperature. This help a lot. Before I get in the bathroom, I forgot to mention, you have an air fryers, microwave convection. So it's a microwave, convection, the electric oven, as well air fryer. Then we're gonna walk to the bathroom. Nice medicine cabinet, as we mentioned that before. You know, put your toothbrush, sink, counter, nice porcelain toilet, not a plastic. No issue for knees, as well hangers for towels, fantastic fan with a rain, and then nice shower head, skylight, and full privacy. So this is the 18.2 beast mode. We recommend you to come to Best RV. Let me close this cabinet, guys. Self-closing. Folks, I don't know how to say it. Please click on the link underneath this video. You will see the price, specifications. We assure you the best and the lowest price in California, and no hidden fees and no gimmick, just the price, tax, and license. And we'd love to make it happen and put your dream on the road.